This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is help. My wages are garnished. This is timely because we've known for a while that we are going to see more IRS wage garnishments. They're catching up from 3 years of pandemic inactivity, and so we expect to see more. However, this past week, we've seen a sharp increase in the number of state wage garnishments. Tax professionals like myself are commenting, we didn't even know that certain states did wage tax garnishments, but they are now. So the point is, you check your bank account and you notice money is missing. You see state or IRS garnishment. The first thing you want to do is confirm, read it carefully, and see what it is. If it's IRS, obviously it's tax. If it's a state garnishment, you need to see whether it is in fact tax or whether it's something else. Child support, other legal obligations. You want to make that distinction right from the start. Second thing is, even IRS doesn't necessarily recommend that you pick up the phone and give them a call. I've mentioned before, we see so many people get in trouble by giving information that winds up working against them. The reality is that you're not prevented from calling the tax authority, but beware, they are trained to ask questions and write down, make notes on the responses for the investigation that's going to follow later. So getting a wage tax garnishment lifted should be a fairly simple and straightforward thing for a tax attorney, CPA, or an enrolled agent, someone who is credible and recognized as such to deal with that. But recognize that we can lift that garnishment, but that's the beginning, not the end of the solution of the tax problem. We need to follow up with a proposed solution and how we're going to deal with that. And there are a number of ways to do that. So that's enough for tonight. Thanks for showing up. If you like what you saw and you want to see more like it, I invite you to follow me or subscribe. Join me here tomorrow for another Tax Minute.